Hi everyone, let's start the first problem in exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So the first problem is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So using the a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, which is equal to, so multiply with 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 3, 6. 2 3s are 6. So the final equation is x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. Take all the terms to left hand side. Then it will be x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x becoming the minus 2x and minus 6 is becoming the plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, plus 2x and minus 2x got cancelled. X square 1 plus 6 is 7. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, x square plus 7 is having highest power is nothing but degree 2. Having the degree 2 with one variable. So this is the condition for the quadratic equation. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Let's go to the next problem. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So here, let us simplify this. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 6. Next, minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So 2 into x is 2x. Take all the right hand terms to left hand side. So it will become x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. X square minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 4x plus 6. So here you are seeing perfect ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, perfect quadratic equation. And the condition is x square minus 4x plus 6 is having the degree is nothing but highest power. Having the degree 2 with one variable. The variable is x with one variable. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Let's go to the next problem. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Let us simplify this. X with both the terms and minus 2 with both the terms. X into x, x square minus 2 into x minus 2x. Again, x into 1 is plus x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to x into x, x square. Then x into 3 is plus 3x minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Now, take all the terms to left hand side. X square minus 2x plus x. So you can simplify here only. Minus 2x plus x is nothing but 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it will be minus x minus 2, which is equal to x square. 3 minus 1. 3x minus x is plus 2x minus 3. Now take all the terms to left hand side. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to, minus x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus x square and minus x square got cancelled. Now remains minus 1x minus 2x is nothing but minus 3x. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. You can also write it as 3x minus 1 if you multiply it with the minus. Now, if you see this, there is a no x square. You can keep it as 0x square. There is no highest power. The two highest power. The highest degree is 3x minus 1 is having the highest degree having the degree 1 with one variable. So, the condition is not satisfied. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So, it must have the degree of 2. But it is only having 1. So, that's why it is not a quadratic equation. Let's go to the next problem. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. So multiply all the terms, simplify it. X into 2x, that is 2x square. X into 1, that is x. Minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3 is equal to x into x is x square. X into 5 is plus 5x. Now take all the terms to left hand side. 2x square. This will be minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square, that is x square, minus 5x is minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can see the highest power is 2. Therefore, x square minus 10x minus 3 is having the degree 2 with one variable. The variable here is also x. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is satisfying the condition. Let's go to the next problem. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. So multiply the 2x with x and 3. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to x into x, x square. Minus 1 into x, minus x. 5 into x plus 5x. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Let us simplify further. 2x square minus 7x minus 6 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to x square minus 1 plus 5, which is plus 4x minus 5. Let us take all the terms to left hand side. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to, minus, let us take all the terms to left hand side. So minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square, which is x square, minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x plus 3 plus 5, which is plus 8 is equal to 0. So, it is a quadratic equation. Therefore, x square minus 11x plus 8 is having the degree 2 with variable 1. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. quadratic equation. Next question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole square. Okay. No need to simplify the left hand term. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to. So just compare this x minus 1 with a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. Now let us substitute the same values in the place of a and b. X square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x. Take all the terms to left hand side. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square minus 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. X square and x square got cancelled, minus 1 is plus and 1 is minus. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. 5x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is not having the degree 2. That's why it is not a quadratic equation. Because the highest power is 1 only. Highest power is 1. The highest power, nothing but the degree should be 2. That's why this is not a quadratic equation. Let's go to the next problem. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So a plus b whole cube formula we need to use for the left hand side, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Substitute the x value in the place of a and the value 2 in the place of b. It will be x cube plus 2 cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. It will be x cube plus 8 plus 3 2s are 6. 6x square plus 3 2 square is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12x is equal to 2x into x square. 2x cube minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. Take all the terms to right hand side this time because the x cube quotient is higher in the right side. So consider this 2. This is highest quotient than the left hand side x cube quotient. So let us take it to right hand side. X cube minus 2x minus x cube minus 8 minus 6x square minus 12x is equal to 0. So this will be x cube. 2 minus 1 is x cube. Minus 6x square is alone. So write it directly. Minus 2x minus 12x is minus 14x. And then constant 8 is equal to 0. Now what is the highest power? Highest power is 3. Therefore, it doesn't have degree 2 with one variable Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Let's go to the next problem. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. We can't simplify the left side terms, so let us write them directly. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, so we already know a plus b whole cube formula. So now a minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here a value is x and b value is 2. So let us substitute x cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into a square x square into b 2 plus 3ab square a b square. Right. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8 minus into plus, minus 6x square plus 3 fours are 12. 2 square is 4, 12x. Let's take to right hand side turns to left hand side. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to minus x cube plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x is equal to 0 plus x cube and minus x cube got cancelled. 6 minus 4 is 2x square minus 12 and minus 1 which is minus 13x. 1 plus 8 is plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the highest power? That is 2. Therefore, it has the degree 2 with one variable, only with the x, right? So one variable. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. That's it for the question number 1 in exercise 4.1. Let's meet in the next video for the second question.